What happens when you don't have a will? Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where I attempt to discuss an estate planning topic in 2 minutes or less. Now, before we get started, if you're enjoying these videos every Tuesday, can you please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button in the right-hand corner below? I would really appreciate it.
Okay, so will or no will? Is there a difference in how probate plays out if someone leaves a will or someone doesn't leave a will? Talk to me about that.
Sure. So the process is the same as far as going through. We still have to file a probate and go through all the exact same processes, and you can still do a summary or a regular probate. The difference is if you don't have a will, and it's in I think it's on the second page of your handout. The state decides who gets your stuff. Okay.
Who does?
The state of Oklahoma.
The state of Oklahoma.
So a lot of people, especially married couples, will, when I introduce myself and we're talking, whether it's socially or someplace, they're like, I have no worries. My spouse is going to get everything. And if you look through that, just look down that list, that's almost never the case. I think it's only the case in the very first one where your entire estate, if you don't have any living children, parents, brothers, or sisters. But other than that, you're probably going to split it with somebody. Okay,
so it says, so what you said is if you leave with no will and you leave a spouse, the spouse will get your entire estate, maybe if you don't have any living children, parents, brothers, sisters. What would happen if you do?
If you died with living parents, brothers or sisters, and no children, then the spouse gets all the jointly acquired property. So everything you acquired during your marriage, but only a third of the remainder of the assets.
Really?
Okay, so that could be a big difference. If you died with children that you had with that spouse, okay, then your spouse gets half of everything, and then your children get half of everything. So that may not be how you want it to divide your estate.
Or your spouse may not have to be how you want, you to divide your estate.
Right, your spouse may have been counting on half of that bank account or half of that property or half of that retirement income or rental income from a rental property.
And okay, so then that next one, that's a big one because there are a lot of mixed families, right? Blended families.
And then the fourth one, if you died with children from a previous relationship, the spouse gets half of jointly acquired property, so only that property that you all acquired during your marriage. And then an equal share of the remainder with your living children. So at that point, it's not even half. It's, if
you got 6 kids,
you're only going to get a seventh.
Wow. Okay. And if you die without a spouse and no will, children, or any heirs, then what?
Oklahoma gets everything. And it goes to the support of common schools.
Let's don't go there.
Yeah. There you have it.
Well, that's all for today. I think I actually made it under 2 minutes today. But if you enjoyed these videos, then please like it below and please hit the subscribe button or click on my face in the circle that should be appearing about now so you'll get our new videos every Tuesday. And as always, we appreciate you watching and I'll see you next time. Thanks again.